Now, first, let me qualify or point out what exactly a clearing event is. A clearing event is like a single bar surge that in one fell swoop clears nicely above a chunk of prior price congestion. I want you to understand that carefully, that word, price congestion. Think of price congestion like a traffic jam. And out of this chaos emerges the savior. That savior is the clearing surge, up or down for the most part. Okay? Now, I want you to take a look at BA's movement here in the morning, shortly after the opening bar. You have this salt and pepper back and forth cluster. You've got a green bar, boom, a red bar, boom, followed by another green bar, boom, another red bar, boom. It's back and forth. It's a cluster. It's a traffic jam. It's uncertainty. And then emerging out of this is the savior. These savior bars, these clearing bars, these bars that suddenly and abruptly take you out of this clustered chaos, the follow-through effect is usually pretty amazing. Now, let's go a little bit further, and you see kind of like this sideways movement here. Now, this is not clearing. That has no savior element to it. It's coming out of something, but it's not, it doesn't have that powerful thrust that we're looking for. I would consider this more. It may not look like it to you, but this bar clears the cluster. Robert's asking, if you get in a little early, you reduce your risk too. Yes, potentially. Potentially. But you're not getting in early, guys, if it's already clearing. Think about that. You're not getting in early if it's already clearing. Early would be before it's cleared, right? After it's cleared, that's not early. It's not just the bar, it's the bar doing something important, clearing the cluster. So we got one here, and we got one there. And the follow-throughs from these are pretty nice, all right? Let me see if I can find another one. Look at this one. Do you see the clearing event on CVX? Go to the left. Do you see it? You see the boom. And this brings up something else. Guys, don't look for clearing events that clear everything. I mean, sometimes you get that because everything is like that, and then boom. But it's just the very recent history that's been sort of undecided. Clearing events clear undecided periods. Undecided periods. Somebody saying the LVS is on the downside. This can be looked at as clearing in a way, but it's a little different because you have the drift up and then the violent bar, and it is clearing some bars to the left. Here you have the same thing. It's up. This bar is clearing out some bars, but it's a little different. It's in the family of clearing. It's in the family of clearing. You see, the real pure clearings, right? It's undecided. And out of this undecided period, you get the clear or the clear. Then there's, I think this is good. Then there's this kind of clearing where it's the drift clearing. And you get one fell swoop that wipes out or clears through a lot of the opposite color bars, but though it's not undecided in a way, right? It's not undecided. Like let me just take a look at this. Let's take a look at MU, I think is a clearing. Yeah, this is kind of more of a clearing where you've got the stock went into this undecided period here. I don't know why my pen is drawing so crazy. And some of them are not so, some of them are actually not so clear. Like I would look at this as a clearing as well. That might not be as clear to you, but to me, I look at that as a clearing as well. But let's go down. Look at DIA. Look at, do you see? Well, here's a clearing. And here's a clearing. You got a little bit of follow through here. You got some more follow through there. I'm not surprised that a little more came from the up because you're up. I mean, the 20 is rising, right? So more is going to come from your up than down statistically, right? And yeah, someone's saying Facebook. I think I did see a Facebook clearing today. Yes. Yes. Look at that. You see? Beautiful.